I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 chemistry past questions, and this is question number 14. And the question is, which of the following substance has coordinated bonding in its structure? A. Aluminium chloride. B. Sodium chloride. C. Silver chloride. D. Magnesium chloride. Now, first let us define what a coordinate bond is, or we need to know what coordinated bonding is. So, what is a coordinate bond? A coordinate bond basically refers to a special type of covalent bond where only one atom donates the electrons to be shared in the chemical reaction. Now that we've established what coordinate bonding is, the first option is aluminium chloride, made up of 2 atoms of aluminium and 6 atoms of chlorine. Now structurally, you would have, let me illustrate it. You have aluminium atoms, 2 in number. So aluminium has 3 electrons on its outermost shell. So let's assume this structure I've just drawn is the outermost shell of aluminium. So you have 3 electrons on it. So you have 2 of that. Three electrons on the outermost shell. And then for chlorine has 7 electrons on its outermost shell. So let's illustrate that. So three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 6 of it. Now for sodium chloride, you have 1 sodium atom and 1 chloride or 1 chlorine atom. Now the chlorine atom, of course, as we have said, has 7 on its outermost shell, 7 electrons on its outermost shell, while sodium has 1 electron on its outermost shell. Now silver also has 1 electron on its outermost shell in silver chloride. So silver has just 1 electron on its outermost shell, and it combines with a chloride ion, or with 7 on its outermost shell, 7 electrons on its outermost shell. Magnesium chloride. Magnesium has 2 electrons on its outermost shell. So let's take this to be our magnesium with 2 electrons on its outermost shell. Now it combines with two chloride or 2 chlorine atoms that have 7 electrons each on their outermost shell. So that is it. Now the first thing we have to notice that, or we have to rule out, is that from the way it looks, sodium chloride and silver chloride cannot be under coordinate bonding, because looking at the structures of the atoms, what happens here is electrovalent bonding, because sodium and silver respectively will donate their valence electron to chlorine in order to form the product. As for magnesium chloride will share magnesium chloride will donate rather 2 of its valence electrons to the 2 chlorine atoms, so that is also electrovalent bond. So magnesium chloride, all of them, this and this, are all electrovalent bonds that are formed. Now, looking at this, the only one which is not an electrovalent bond is option A, which is aluminum chloride. Now, in the aluminum chloride structure, the aluminum ion will the 2 aluminum atoms each will give 1 atom to each. We share 1 atom to each of the 6 chloride ions, creating or forming the product. So, for example, you have each aluminum atom has 3 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3. So you have another aluminum with 1, 2, 3. So those 3, and you have 6 chloride. So you have 6 chlorine atoms to receive electrons. So they will be shared, and all will come from the aluminum. All will come from the 2 aluminum atoms. So this aluminum atom will share with 3 of the chlorine atoms, and these 3 will share with the remaining 3 chlorine atoms. So the answer is A, which is aluminum chloride. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel and view more past questions and answers, and also more videos. Thank you.